hello, namaste. Welcome back again to my channel Shiviksha Creatives. I am Pratiksha and this is my channel where I upload different videos. So that may be vlogs, that may be cooking, that may be visiting any places or different kinds of videos I usually upload in my channel. So please do subscribe to my channel if you want to follow me in my future videos. This video is going to be very different. So this remedy I wanted to share with you all from very few days ago, but now why I suddenly came out for making this video, so because there is a pimple or acne, I wanted to share a real fact. I wanted to tell you what the result is going to be happen after using this remedy or after using this cream, because I'm going to share two different creams which is dermatologist suggested. It is a very good beneficial cream because I suggest most of my relatives, my friends, this both cream, and they have got a very good result from this cream. So that's why I am here to tell you these two creams so today, and also one very effective home remedy by using only 3 ingredients, and that too easily available in your home. So keep watching till the end. Okay, I'm not an expert to tell you, just I'm suggesting you, if you have a very acne issues, then you can use this both the creams. And also if you have that mark, if the pimples gone and if you are struggling from the issue of mark, then also you can use this cream. So I too using this product. So in one of my vlog I have used this cream. So my husband also, whenever acne appears on skin, on face, so then immediately he and also me, we both use this cream. We both have a very sensitive skin, and the pimple or acne, it appears whenever we had junk food or we had oily food, or else we switch on to any other face wash or any other cream or any soap. So we both have very sensitive skin, so that's why the dermatologist suggested this. So if you have a very sensitive skin and if you are struggling from a pimple or acne, so for most of the persons this pimple or acne will come out when they have a oily skin. Okay, so they should not leave their skin as it is, as a oily. They should apply the moisturizer cream, then they should apply a cream so which is suitable for their skin type, and also powder. So powder is must and should for oily skin type. It is must and should, so you should not leave as it is. I too have a oily skin. I always make sure to wash my face frequently and also have a very good skincare routine so that not to have this type of pimple or acne. But what to do, as I said, I have a sensitive skin. I had oily food, junk foods, or any milk products, immediately I get a pimple or acne. So that's why if you are struggling from these type of issues, then you can use this product. So first product I am going to show you is this Nelac gel. So before I am going to explain you what is this gel and all the things, I will tell you that I am not an expert. Just I am suggesting you can use these two products which I am going to show you now. But before purchasing this, that may be through online or that may be from the medical, because these two products are available in any of the medical stores. So before purchasing that, make sure to ask about these two products. So what is the usage of this? Is anything harm or effect or side effect from these? They will tell you what is these two products are meant for. Okay, so this is a Nilac gel, and this Nilac gel is only for getting rid of pimple or acne. If there is a lot of pimple or acne you are suffering, then you can apply this gel or this cream twice a day, morning and night. Okay, so after washing your face thoroughly, apply this wherever there is a pimple. Only apply there, not all over your face. So after 2 hours or 3 hours, so you can wash your face, or else you can leave as it is. There will be no harm leaving as it is. So this is a Nilac gel. This is 20 gram of gel, and for 20 gram 140 rupees. I don't know, I think it is blur, but I will give you in a description box. If I got a link, then I will give you a link in a description box. Otherwise I am going to state these 2 products in a description box. Check it out there. You can purchase if you want. If you applied this and if there is any itching or if any problematic, then please keep it out, because this product may be not meant for your skin. But if it may suits you, then it's well and good. It is very beneficial and it is very good for pimple and acne. So this is a Nilac gel. I'm going to give you in the description box, so please check it out there. So this gel only meant for acne and pimples. So next, this is another. So this is another product, another cream, which is called Aziderm. Okay, so Aziderm, so this is a gel and this is a cream. Okay, so this is a Aziderm cream, azelaic acid cream, 20% WW. These 2 products is meant for both men and women. So it is not only, so here you can see the pictures, so you can use both the men and women. So this cream is for getting rid of the mark. So when so there will be, for some person, like they will get a pimple, and when the pimple goes off, the mark will be stained on the face. So in order to getting rid of those marks, so you can apply this cream and apply this cream as well. So this as well I am going to give you in a description box. So in all the medical stores you can buy this, because it's available in all the medical stores. So this is for 140 rupees. Yes, 140 rupees for 20 gram, and this is 15 gram, 261 rupees. This is for pimple and this is for mark. So that's it. That is the 2 products I wanted to share with you guys. And another thing, most important thing, if you don't want to apply these type of products, then you can easily make it out a quick remedy, home remedy in your home itself. So by yourself, so by using only 3 ingredients that I am going to share with you. So I have not applied anything on my face before making this video. So as you can see, only lipstick and eyeliner, because I wanted to show you these acne pimples, so that I can give you a real fact or real result of using this home remedy for quick, and also for those persons who don't want to apply these type of products. So stay tuned, keep watching. Now I am going to show you how this remedy has to be done, and I'm going to apply this as well. So I'm going to show you how it has to be applied and how it has to be make. So all such kinds. So let's start making. Okay guys, that's it for today. I have shared you a very effective home remedy and also 2 products for getting rid of these pimple or acne issues. I hope this video is going to helpful for you. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and also like, share with your loved ones, with your friends, with your relatives who are suffering from these type of issues. So I will be meeting you in my next video. So stay tuned. Keep watching my videos. Follow on my Instagram also, because I will be very active on my Instagram profile. I usually post stories, what is happening, what I am doing, what I am going to do. So quotes, all such kinds in my Instagram story. So make sure to follow on my Instagram also, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. So bye bye, take care, stay healthy, namaste.